Today, I want to talk about your concerns about windows just costing too much money to replace. Hello Atlanta, my name is Dan Watkins. I'm with All Four Seasons Windows. Today I want to talk about your concerns about windows just costing too much money to replace. Well, there's a couple things you need to think about. First of all, there's options. There's aluminum windows and there's vinyl windows. Vinyl windows are going to cost you about half as much money as the aluminum windows. And the great news is, with all the windows, you should be getting a lifetime warranty on the window and the labor itself. But the other thing you want to think about is how much money you're going to save every single day, every single month on energy efficiency when you replace your windows. So why not start saving now? Replace your windows now and start saving the money on the energy efficiencies right away. Every day, every week, every month, you're going to be saving money, keeping money in your pocket because you replaced your windows. There's all kinds of financing available, from 1 or 2 years to 6 years to 10 years. You can start saving. You make your payments little by little. Get the windows paid off. It's going to add to the beauty of your house. It's going to add to the security of your house. And most importantly, it's going to save you money each and every day. So if you're in Atlanta, please give us a call today at allfourseasonswindows.com. You can go to our website, allfourseasonswindows.com, or give us a call. But either way, let us come out and show you the perfect windows for your home.